client-attorney relationship has to start with trust. The client has to trust the attorney in the same way they have to trust their doctor when they're going in for surgery. And the attorney has to trust the client. And certainly there have been cases in the past where we have found out that somebody who appeared honest and above board to us when the case came in, later as you put facts together, you find out that perhaps they have intentionally hidden things from you. But honesty is the basis of the relationship. And certainly there are situations where you have to ask yourself, if I was a client, would I want my attorney to do this on my behalf? There are certainly times when a client may tell you, well, I don't want to tell the other side about that. But if you are in a situation where they are obligated to do it, you know, you try to fight it as best you can. But if you get back into that corner where, by God, we're obligated to do it, then the client has two choices. He either finds another attorney or he complies with the ethical obligations that we're under. But also with the client, we always want to keep the client well informed. We want to leave the ultimate decisions on what to do in the case to the client. An example, some attorneys have in their retainer agreements a statement that attorneys shall be free to settle the case on the client's behalf. We never do that. As a matter of fact, every one of our retainer agreements states there will be no settlement without the client's consent. Now, we make it clear up front that we have to explain, that we will use our best efforts and give our best advice to them, and that there are certain risks that they are undertaking that we are not prepared to undertake against our own advice. But again, that's all part of building this relationship with the client, so that when we say, all right, at this point, you've got to make a decision. You either settle the case and accept what is on the table now, or you take the risk of proceeding forward, but you understand that there is a risk. But that decision with our firm is always with the client, not with us.